A blind boy sat on side of road with a hat by his feet. He held up a sign which said,
"I am blind, please help."
"There are only a few coins in the hat." A man was walking by and he started to think for a second. He erased the word written on the board. And then he took the sign and wrote some new words. Soon the hat began to fill up quite quickly. A lot more people were giving money to the blind boy. That afternoon the man who had changed the sign came to see how things were. The boy recognized his footsteps and asked,
"Were you the one who changed the sign this morning? What did you write?"
The man said,
"I wrote the truth, but in different way.
What he had written was,
Today is a beautiful day, and I cannot see it."
Do you think the first sign and the second sign were saying the same thing? Of course. Both signs told people that the boy was blind. But the first sign simply said the boy was blind. The second sign told people they were so blessed that they were not blind. Should we be surprised the second sign was more effective? In Quran Allah said, "It is He who created for you the sense of hearing, ears, sight, eyes, and hearts, understanding. Little thanks you give." Like, share and subscribe our channel for more Islamic content.